Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully uncharged battery on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G requires up to 31 minutes to charge from 0 to 50%, and up to 82 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G has a standby time of up to 290 hours and a use talk time of up to 35 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select the settings icon. Scroll to and select Device Care. Select Battery. Select Battery Usage. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Power Mode. Then select Medium or Maximum Power Saving. Adjust settings as desired, then select Apply. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To turn off adaptive brightness, select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To reduce screen brightness, select and drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To set a shorter screen timeout, scroll to and select Screen Timeout. Then select the desired option. To turn off infinity wallpapers, from the settings screen, select Wallpaper. Then navigate to and select the desired option that is not an infinity wallpaper. To turn off Auto Sync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts and Backup. Select Accounts. Select the Auto Sync data switch to disable Auto Sync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling Auto Sync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location services to turn them off. Swipe left and select NFC to turn it off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto Update Apps. Select Don't Auto Update Apps, then select Done. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar, then select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.